Alrighty guys, Wild here, and today we are testing out a new angle. Sorry about the dogs barking in the background, but I am bringing you 2 boxes of the new umamusume set. So let's get into it. And for the promo, Absolute Emperor, Symboli Rudolph. And sorry about the different recording setup. I am not home at the moment, so I will be soon. But for this one, we are going to open up at somewhere else. So, and we got another Rudolph. All right, let's get into it. And, oh, nice. Shiny Climax. Hot Rod. Nice. Not bad, not bad. I do really enjoy this anime. It's pretty fun. I also play the phone game, and I really enjoy that too. So, originally wasn't gonna get any of this set, but then one of the guys at my locals told me to check it out, so I did, and I really enjoyed it. So here we are opening it. Nice. There we go. Want those. I am having to build a special week deck, so hopefully I can get that soon, depending on what I get from this. Also went on vacation recently, so just got back into my home state recently. So pretty fun, pretty fun. Went and visited some family down south. Nice. Got some cool ones here. Ooh, nice. Another special week. Just need one more. Ooh, nice. Beautiful double rare right there. I will also hopefully be bringing you the new set of Pokemon soon. I got some stuff coming in for that, so we'll be opening up some of the Abyss. Nice. All right. Second to last pack. Here we go. And last pack. Let's see if we get anything. Nice, nice. And that is it, guys. Nothing super big, but oh well. Just happy that I get to open stuff, so, and I'm happy I got some stuff for my deck that I need. Alrighty, I will see you guys next time. Hopefully bringing you some more of the Abyss soon, and peace.